That in the middle of Trondheim fjord is Munkholmen, a tiny island with a massive history, once a monastery, a fortress and even a prison. I have always wondered how far Munkholmen is from the shore, and can a drone actually make it there and back? So in this video, I'm putting that to a test. I'm flying my DJI Flip from Trondheim shoreline all the way to Munkholmen and hopefully back. Let's find out. So we have our answer. The Munkholmen isn't that far off from the shore as I thought it was. It's just about 1300 meters and the DJI Flip can easily fly to and be back without a fuss.